Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Glass. He filled the glass with water.
Glass. He filled the glass with water.
Cup. She is drinking tea from a cup.
Cup. She is drinking tea from a cup.
Spoon. I stir my coffee with a spoon.
Spoon. I stir my coffee with a spoon.
Knife. He is cutting vegetables with a knife.
Knife. He is cutting vegetables with a knife.
Fork. She is using a fork to eat pasta.
Fork. She is using a fork to eat pasta.
Plate. The food is on the plate.
Plate. The food is on the plate.
Bowl. I eat cereal from a bowl.
Bowl. I eat cereal from a bowl.
Pan. She is frying eggs in the pan.
Pan. She is frying eggs in the pan.
Oven. The cake is baking in the oven.
Oven. The cake is baking in the oven.
Blender. She made a smoothie in the blender.
Blender. She made a smoothie in the blender.
Toaster. The bread is in the toaster.
Toaster. The bread is in the toaster.
Chopping board. I chop vegetables on a chopping board.
Chopping board. I chop vegetables on a chopping board.
Spatula. I flip pancakes with a spatula.
Spatula. I flip pancakes with a spatula.
Measuring cup. Use a measuring cup for the flour.
Measuring cup. Use a measuring cup for the flour.
Grater. She grated the cheese with a grater.
Grater. She grated the cheese with a grater.
Peeler. I peel potatoes with a peeler.
Peeler. I peel potatoes with a peeler.
Rolling pin. I roll dough with a rolling pin.
Rolling pin. I roll dough with a rolling pin.
Ladle. Use a ladle to serve the soup.
Ladle. Use a ladle to serve the soup.
Mug. I like coffee in my favorite mug.
Mug. I like coffee in my favorite mug.
Strainer. I strain tea with a strainer.
Strainer. I strain tea with a strainer.
Trash can. Throw the waste into the trash can.
Trash can. Throw the waste into the trash can.
Apron. She is wearing an apron while cooking.
Apron. She is wearing an apron while cooking.
Ice tray. I make ice cubes in an ice tray.
Ice tray. I make ice cubes in an ice tray.
Dish towel. Dry the dishes with a dish towel.
Dish towel. Dry the dishes with a dish towel.
Sponge. Clean the plate with a sponge.
Sponge. Clean the plate with a sponge.
Kitchen scale. I weigh ingredients with a kitchen scale.
Kitchen scale. I weigh ingredients with a kitchen scale.
Pizza cutter. I slice pizza with a pizza cutter.
Pizza cutter. I slice pizza with a pizza cutter.
Can opener. I open cans with a can opener.
Can opener. I open cans with a can opener.
Food processor. I chop nuts in a food processor.
Food processor. I chop nuts in a food processor.
Juicer. I make orange juice with a juicer.
Juicer. I make orange juice with a juicer.
Coffee maker. I brew coffee in a coffee maker.
Coffee maker. I brew coffee in a coffee maker.
Tea kettle. I am making tea with the tea kettle.
Tea kettle. I am making tea with a tea kettle.
Sifter. I sift flour with a sifter.
Sifter. I sift flour with a sifter.
Timer. Set the timer for 20 minutes.
Timer. Set the timer for 20 minutes.
Sink. She is washing dishes in the sink.
Sink. She is washing dishes in the sink.
Tray. Put the cookies on the tray.
Tray. Put the cookies on the tray.
Egg slicer. I slice eggs with an egg slicer.
Egg slicer. I slice eggs with an egg slicer.
Recycle bin. I sort recyclables in a recycle bin.
Recycle bin. I sort recyclables in a recycle bin. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.